7 perfect breakfast ideas for losing weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Looking to kickstart your weight loss journey with a nutritious and satisfying breakfast? We've curated a list of 7 perfect breakfast ideas that are not only delicious, but also help you shed those extra pounds. These breakfast options are packed with nutrients, low in calories, and designed to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. From protein-packed smoothies and fiber-rich oatmeal to veggie-filled omelets and healthy pancakes, these recipes are a great way to start your day on the right track. Say goodbye to unhealthy breakfast choices and say hello to these flavorful and weight loss-friendly options. Number 1. Green Omelet, 220 calories. Green omelet is a nutritious breakfast option that can support your weight loss goals. This omelet is packed with green vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These greens provide essential nutrients while keeping the calorie count low. The omelet is also a good source of protein, which helps you keep feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. By starting your day with a green omelet, you're fueling your body with nourishing ingredients that promote overall health and aid in weight loss. Here are the specific ingredients for a green omelet. 2 eggs, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/2 cup chopped kale, 1/4 cup chopped broccoli, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for cooking. Here is the process for making green omelet. Number 2. Protein balls, 80 calories. Protein balls are a fantastic option for a healthy breakfast that can aid in weight loss. These bite-sized snacks are packed with protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing cravings and the desire to snack on unhealthy foods throughout the day. Protein balls are also easy to make and can be customized with various ingredients to suit your taste preferences. They are a convenient on-the-go breakfast option, providing a quick energy boost and promoting muscle recovery. Incorporating protein balls into your breakfast routine, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs while supporting your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for protein balls. 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup nut butter, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup protein powder, 1/4 cup chopped nuts or seeds, 1/4 cup dried fruits, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Here is the process for making protein balls. Number 3. Granola pizza, 310 calories. Granola pizza is a unique and delicious breakfast option that can contribute to your weight loss goals. This recipe combines the goodness of granola, which is typically made with rolled oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruits with a pizza-like twist. Granola is a great source of fiber, providing a feeling of fullness and helping to control appetite. By using healthier ingredients and controlling portion sizes, granola pizza can be a nutritious and satisfying breakfast that supports weight loss. Plus, it's a fun and creative way to start your day with a twist. Here are the specific ingredients for granola pizza. 1 cup granola, 1/4 cup nut butter, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, fresh fruits of your choice. Here is the process for making granola pizza. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Blueberry muffins, 170 calories. Blueberry muffins are a delicious and nutritious option for a healthy breakfast, especially when you're aiming to lose weight. These muffins are not only in calories, but also packed with antioxidant-rich blueberries, which provide numerous health benefits. Blueberries are known for their high levels of vitamins, minerals, and phytochemical that support overall well-being. The fiber content in blueberries also help promote satiety and aids in digestion. Here are the specific ingredients for blueberry muffins. 1/2 cups whole wheat flour, 1/2 cup oats, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup almond milk, 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup fresh or frozen blueberries. Here's the process for making blueberry muffins. Number 5. Hash brown omelet right recipe. 280 calories. Hash brown omelet is a satisfying and nutritious breakfast option that can aid in your weight loss journey. This recipe combines crispy hash browns with a fluffy omelet filled with vegetables and protein-rich ingredients. The hash browns provide a delicious crunch while adding fiber and vitamins to your meal. The omelet packed with veggies and protein keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer, helping to curb cravings and control your appetite. Here are the specific ingredients for hash brown omelet. 1 cup shredded potatoes, 1/4 cup diced onions, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, 2 eggs, 2 egg whites, 1/4 cup shredded cheese, salt and pepper to taste, cooking spray or a small amount of oil for greasing the pan. Here is the process for making hash brown omelet. Number 6. Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. 200 calories. Greek yogurt with berries and almonds is a nutritious and low-calorie breakfast option that can support your weight loss goals. This recipe combines creamy Greek yogurt with antioxidants-rich berries and crunchy almonds to create a satisfying and flavorful meal. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which helps keep you full and supports muscle recovery. The berries provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while almonds add healthy fats and additional texture. Here are the specific ingredients for Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup mixed berries, 1 tablespoon sliced almonds. For optional, drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Here is the process for making Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. Number 7. Avocado and Egg Toast. 250 calories. Avocado and egg toast is a nutritious and satisfying breakfast option that aids in weight loss. This recipe combines the creaminess of avocado with the protein-rich goodness of eggs, all served on a slice of whole grain toast. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that promote satiety and provide essential nutrients, while eggs provide high-quality protein to keep you full and support muscle health. Whole grain toast adds fiber, which aids digestion and help control appetite. By choosing this breakfast, you're fueling your body with a balanced combination of nutrients while keeping the calorie count moderate. Here are the specific ingredients for avocado and egg toast. 1 slice of whole grain bread, 1/4 avocado sliced or mashed, 1 large egg, salt and pepper to taste. For optional toppings, sliced tomato, microgreens, hot sauce. Here is the process for making avocado and egg toast. And that concludes our list of the 7 perfect breakfast ideas for losing weight. Do you happen to know any perfect breakfast ideas that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always up to date on the best and healthiest food available. and every bite, a taste of health and delight. And that is Healthy Bites. Bye!